From bottom 1810 to new all-time high 2150, you can say buy the rumor, sell the news. This was your higher for longer narrative, which everyone already know will never work, and Fed pivot right at the bottom. Then your CPI news, and right before new all-time high, everyone was talking about March rate cut. And like I said last week, January rate cut is completely wrong. Because problem is, when you say rate cut in January, you are saying rate cut in each FOMC meeting next year. And on Friday, market ignore hawkish Fed speech. On Monday, it came down. This was total pump and dump to kill all the retail trader. And after that, you get strong NAP number. So hawkish Fed, hawkish economic indicator, and super hawkish macro environment. And this vertical up and down movement, I think all retail traders are completely dead. Seller dead at bottom and buyer dead at the top. And your first big support level 2007 almost broken on Friday. This is your last big horizontal support level. If this level break out, then price can go back to 1931 level. Because first it was hawkish Fed speech, now NAP, and on this support level after new all-time high, gold sentiment are going back to minus infinity. If price goes below 2007 level, then it will go very fast. So next support 1931. Because I think after NAP number, FOMC speech this week will be super hawkish. Until FOMC over, gold can stay down. So all the sellers from this new all-time high, they are in perfect position. Friday hawkish Fed speech, strong NAP number, and if Fed give hawkish speech again, then they have best trading entry. And for resistance, it depends on CPI news before FOMC meeting this week. But problem with CPI news is this last wave started with CPI number. This week CPI come high or low, it does not matter. In both cases, it is bearish for gold. So that's why there is no resistance for gold. If CPI news this week comes high, same like NAP, then higher for longer narrative will return again, same like September month. If CPI come low, then this will trigger soft landing. And both things are already bearish. That's why there is no resistance for gold price. But to support 2007 and 1931. If you remember that 517k NAP in February month, then this month was same to same as you saw in February. Same 154 vertical drop in gold and same strong NAP number. Only difference is last time it was free, this time it was exclusive to premium member. Since that 500k strong NAP, this year from beginning to end you saw soft landing. So CPI then FOMC meeting this week both triggered soft landing narrative. Then this is very bad for gold. Triple top on daily time frame. That's why I said last week any price above 2080 is highly overbought. And now after this vertical drop, especially your big red day on Monday, have completely changed market sentiment. I think bubble is almost over. More gold sentiment will change and this will completely end gold bubble. And your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, neckline breakout, now retesting, but trade is completely over. If you watch this neckline of inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, then you have clear breakout below neckline. So do not buy neckline retest of chart pattern. And retest of 1931 possible because of all the combined effect of all the news. From Monday 2150 to Friday at 2007 level, rate cut speculation have shifted January to May 2024. That's why you saw big upside movement in gold, and this is very big change from January to May. And I have said many times, if rate cut happen in May 2024, then price is 1920. And after new SEP this week, we will find out when will we first rate cut according to Fed FOMC meeting. Before May or after May, or post timing increase, then it will not stop before 1931 level. Weekly time frame, you can see clear strong rejection about 2080 level and pump and dump below, then big red candlestick and back to 2007 level. This is your big support on weekly time frame. Then next 1931. After that only 1807. Price will retest 1931 or go below 1931. We will decide after FOMC meeting. But this week maximum you can expect up to 1931. And after fake breakout or triple top, and now I say this is quadruple top for me. Until those bubble sentiment completely end, gold will not stop going down. I can say with 100% certainty, from this bottom to this top, I think all the small players are dead. It does not matter they were selling or buying. And this was pure center planning. Jim Cramer was bearish on gold bar before triple top breakout, and after quadruple top he is now bullish on engagement ring. And all of these gold were clown. They were watching from sideline and they could save all the gold buyer who bought at 2100, and now they are dying. And why did not all of those celebrity said anything that this triple top breakout will not work? If you have the answer, then now you know why social media is free. After this quadruple top, monthly time frame have only one support, 1807. Scalper, you have this trend line Strong 5 retest your dynamic support, static resistance 2014. When I updated about soft landing in Telegram, gold was trading near 23. It dropped more after that update. As long as soft landing is happening, gold will never go back to 2150 level. And I am expecting more downside, maybe retest of 2014 this week because of FOMC speech.